You're asking, can Facebook ads do MLM business? The answer is yes. But you got to be very careful because there are certain restrictions. Like for example, Facebook advertisement actually do not allow anything that promises any extra income or any whatever revenue and all that. If there is anything that you're coming from that business opportunity angle, you want to be very careful. All right. But I would say maybe you could actually come from the angle of recruitment. I would suggest that you probably can start with some like seminars, some free sessions, and then you use Facebook ads to actually encourage people to come and join your program. And from there, you do your pitching. Do not directly come out and run ads and say that, hey, come in and join us to double your income right away and all that stuff, right? It's not really something that Facebook favors. And the other angle will be, of course, you can actually advertise from the product angle. And if your product is non-sensitive, like for example, if you're selling something that is very sensitive, like the slimming products, skincare is very sensitive, and a few other categories, then you got to be very careful and you have to go quite subtle in your advertising approach. But nonetheless, I would encourage that you go and find out, you go and Google the Facebook advertising policy. So you actually can find out what are the things that you can or can't do when it comes to Facebook advertising. But essentially, overall, if your question is can Facebook ads work for MLM business? The answer is yes.